Hey guys, in this video you're going to see me show you my new puzzle box. Not as big as my last one, but definitely the hardest one that I have made. Um, when you got this thing sticking out, but you can't pull it out. There's your drawer. But wait, there's a little thing you can push, but doesn't go in. And there's that and that. You can't push them in. And then there's this and that doesn't push in, but wait, what's that for? It's a little hole. Interesting. Huh. So how do you get into it? Well, definitely nothing on the bottom, but what you do is actually this slide thing there, it comes out, but only one circle thing stub worth out. But you have to whack it to get it out. There. First step complete. Now, you go to this side. You press on the left one. Press in until it stops. Okay. Then over on this side, push this in until it stops. That ends up pushing that out. So yeah, push it in and that comes out. Then you push on this one, and that will unlock your drawer. Here, in this drawer, you can kind of see how it locks in, but it has a key in it. Now, what you do is this hole, you gotta push it in there, and whenever you push it in, the drawer comes out. Yeah. And there's the drawer. Right now I just have two double A's and triple A's in there because it didn't know what to put in there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a flashlight to shine in there. It'll be easier to see. Okay. So in there you can see two round things right there. Those are the things that I use to hold the drawer in. And you have that hole right next to it. That is what your key would stick in. Then got this hole here, which is where the key drawer was in. And you can see that hole in there. And yeah, so to reset it, what you got to do, put your main drawer back in, take out your key, put it back in the key drawer, put it back in its slot as far as it goes, and then you whack that back into position. You push that in. No, yeah. This side you gotta whack again to get that to come out. Then press that in, and there, it's reset. Now, I don't. Yeah, I could show you the mechanism. There's a little hair on it. I was trying to get it off. Oh well. So, the mechanism. I'm gonna get my Lego separator. both of them. And these are going to help me take off the top here. That is if... Where'd the other one go? Oh, it's over there. It's kind of not working. Apparently I built this very well. Aha! Got one! Yay. I'm going to try to move my mic a little closer. Okay. There. Oh, close to my face. This is proving to be very hard. Okay. Let's do this so I can know how they go on. Very hard to make it come off. Aha, this one has an edge. Okay. This is going to take a while, so once I get the top off, I will start the video again. Okay, so I've removed the top of it, so you can see the inside. So, in here, well, whenever you whack on it to get this out, it opens up a little spot here that would allow you to push this piece in. This is still locked. Then you have to press that piece in and press that piece in, and then your drawer is well, able to come out. See? Yeah. So I mean, it does this due to just like holes in them. Like for this one, it has a hole there that this is able to slide in once it goes down. I mean, I just came up with this randomly as I was building it. I had no idea it was going to look like this. But whenever this comes out, you have your holes there and your pins there that lock that in. And it's pushed in its, this thing is in a little bit, so that way you can't push on it a little bit and then be able to pull it out. Yeah. So, I'm gonna put this back on. Yeah, I'll push it together. Give it a good squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna give it a lot of pressure. Okay. Yeah, I just stepped on it a few times to get that to stay on. But yeah. So, that's my new puzzle box. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel so you can know when I get new videos. And put comments in the comment section for things you'd like me to do. So, thanks for watching this video. Bye.